Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is I Spy a Stang, and I've come across the 2001. And I've also grabbed the owner. And you are?
I'm Rick Smith.
Rick Smith, and it's a 2001, and she is all original. And the beautiful thing is, it is a convertible with automatic, the 3.8. I will go over the beautiful. Now you kept it in. You bring it out in the summertime only, right?
Just in the summer.
Just in the
I
summer.
store it outside, but with a tarp.
Okay. And the only visual on this one is this is so common, is the rust up on here. Actually gets in between them, but other than that, it's in really good shape. The convertible is running fine.
Yep.
Definitely when you do and that comes with the leather interior option too, doesn't it? Yeah, very nice. You got the original tires and original rims on it. So there we go. I'm fascinated with the convertibles. One of these days.
The original top.
The original
Pretty
top.
good condition.
Original top too. Awesome.
And I've also got a cover, like when you put the top down, it's got a snap-on like tonneau cover.
Thank you, Rick, for sharing. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and share and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next
All right.
I Spy a Stang.